Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutra. Today I am here to tell you my resume. Basically, myself Dr. Dinesh Govardhan Das Bhutra. I have completed my MBBS from Government Medical College Nagpur. After that, I have completed DTV from Mumbai University and LLB from Nanded. I have started my skin cosmetology, trichology and laser clinic in 2001 on 26th April 2001 at Akshay Tritiya in Parbhani. As soon as I started my clinic in as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist, and laser specialist, during those days, the skin practice was restricted to only dermatology and venereology. There was no starting of cosmetology and trichology. But my main interest was in cosmetology, trichology, and lasers. I'm the first to start my clinic with lasers and Hellman radio frequency machines, PUA therapies and cryotherapies. Once I started my clinic in 2001 at 26th April in Parbhani, then I started visiting peripheries because cosmetology was totally new branch in those days. People were not knowing about the cosmetology. So I started visiting Parli, Ambajogai, Sholapur, Ichalkaranji, Jaisinghpur, Nagpur, Pune, Aurangabad and n number of cities, and started seeing the patients of cosmetology and trichology. As in those days, many social organizations met with me, and they have arranged camps in Ichalkaranji, Vapi, and n number of by Rotary Club and Lions Club, by Vima Association, and I have attended n number of camps in different cities regarding free camps in cosmetology and trichology. During those days, I used to give a cosmetic talk show in the camps. In this cosmetic talk show, I was there to answer the questions of the all general public regarding cosmetology and trichology. They were not knowing what is this, what type of treatment to be done, whom to select the doctors, and all these things. I used to give them the ideas. Then I became the member. At the same time, I became the member of IIGWL, Indian Association of Dermatology and Venereology, IMA, Indian Association of I am Indian Medical Association. At the same time, ILA, Indian Laser Association, then Indian Cosmetic Laser Association, and at the same time member of World Society of Integrated Medicine USA. I have started my 3 newspaper as an editor. Those newspaper have a registered newspaper of India's registration number. In English, Skin and Hair Times, it is once in a month edition. And in Marathi, 2 papers, one Saundarya Varta once in month, and one Saundarya Varta once in 15 days, and one Saundarya Mantra once in a month, and one Hindi paper, Maheshwari Varta, once in a month. These are the 4 newspapers I have started, and those newspapers are having the registered newspaper of India registration. At the same time, I have started during those days YouTube channels. I am having 4 YouTube channels, one by the name Dr. Dinesh Bhutra, another by the name Dr. Bhutra Skin India, third by the name Law and Medicine by Dr. Bhutra, and fourth Dr. Bhutra Production. In these YouTube channels, I used to post information regarding treatments, regarding treatments and regarding health tips and all these things. And because of this, the people used to see my YouTube videos. If they convinced with the videos, they started contacting me and attending me in my clinic in different places where I'm going to visit. So this is the journey I started, and with these YouTube channels now, I'm started taking few authentic. During practice, I have decided to do LLB. I have taken admission for the LLB, and I have started appearing for LLB. And after 3 years of LLB course, I have completed my law, and then I was started taking interest in medical legal. So my main focus of interest is the cosmetic dermatology, then trichology, then laser medicine, then medical legal consultancy. At the same time, with this newspaper, I want to make aware everybody regarding cosmetology treatments, because we say the knowledge sharing is knowledge squaring. So with this principle, I believe in my practice with proper counseling to the patient, and then gives good results and proper treatment and proper appreciation, proper selection of the treatment, all this helps to get the good results. Since last 19 years I have started, I'm non-stop, I'm doing my practice. I'm seeing n number of patients, not only in my place, main place Parvani, but in my visiting place also. And now with the advancement of telemedicine, I've started seeing patient for online consultation and offline consultation. And now my main interest is I want to make the e-atlas of skin diseases for the medical students who are to know, understand better way the skin diseases. So I am started taking the pictures of each diseases, 50 pictures, collection of 50 pictures of each diseases, and I am making those pictures videos, and those are posting on the YouTube, so that if anybody want to see psoriasis, vitiligo or herpes, any infection, they can see those e-atlas, and those will help for them for the visual diagnosis. Thank you very much.